I could stay like this, forever following you. Just don't get too far, and I'll be right where you are.
Hey everyone, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for watching you and me. I am Shradha. If you're watching my channel for the first time or you haven't subscribed to it yet, then make sure to subscribe and also press that bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I'm on YouTube. Valentine's Day is just a day far, and according to me, one of the best surprise that you can give to your loved ones is a morning bed breakfast. So I thought of sharing a very quick, easy and simple pancake recipe with you guys so that you can do something special for your loved ones, no matter you are a girl or a boy, because this recipe is really very easy to cook and hardly takes 5 or 10 minutes. So let's get started. And also make sure that you subscribe to my channel and hit that like button below if you like this video. First we need to boil the milk along with butter. So I am adding butter on the milk, and we need to wait until it gives at least a boil. And while it's boiling, we'll mix all the dry ingredients, and I've powdered the sugar and I've added few seeds of cardamom along with it. And then I'm adding the flour in a bowl, and then we need to add the baking powder, a pinch of salt. You need to put very little salt in it, and then just mix it well. Once all the dry ingredients get mixed, we need to add our eggs on it, and then I'm adding few drops of vanilla essence. It's totally optional. If you don't have, you don't put it. And now my milk is all boiled, so I am adding it slowly on the mixture and stirring it. And once we'll get a very nice thick consistency, just heat a pan, grease the pan with butter, and then pour our mixture. Let it cook for few seconds and it's done.